Welcome to Bucky's Kitchen. In today's video, we'll be making fried Mexican style spare ribs. For these spare ribs, I just pulled the membrane off the back and trimmed them up a little before I cut them up. When you cut these up, make sure you hit the middle right in between the bones so you have the most amount of meat on each rib. Sazan Goya is the star of the show today, and it's easy to find. You can find it in most grocery stores on the international aisle. Start out with some black pepper and some garlic. Then add your Sazan. I only had 3 packs because it was late and I didn't plan ahead, so these turned out pretty good anyways. I just know they would have been better with about 6 packs of Sazan. I use vegetable oil temping at about 350 to 375 because I'm out of peanut oil, but either oil will work just fine. Vegetable oil would be the cheaper route if you wanted to do that though. Actually fried these all up to about 200 degrees internal, which is a little over the safe temp, but it doesn't really hurt. And now for the best part. Once again, thank you for watching, and if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up for more.